Hey guys, it's me again, but this time I'm not wearing a tie, I'm wearing a ascot. Because I am cool like that. So I got my cousin a gift. What's in it? Well, you've read the title. It's the PowerBeats Pro in the color ivory. My cousin wanted it for a while now, so I got this for him. And, you know, in a few weeks, I'll probably ask him about how he feels about it, and he can give a review. Now, let's just start the intro already because it's already 40 seconds.
I'm 18. I'm doing this because I need the money.
He gets paid, so yep. Here's the stuff. Just open it, but don't mess up because you only get one chance. Okay?
Okay. Is there no one? Happy really late birthday. Okay, that's nice. Thank you. Am I supposed to be talking? Like, what do you want? Is it good? You good? Okay. Take it up.
Of course, I would like to take it out. Why wouldn't you take out the thing?
Thank you. Yeah, that's good.
Thanks for watching that video of my cousin unboxing the PowerBeats Pro. That was probably one of the most boring unboxings I've ever seen. So, yeah, I don't think that he's ever made a video before. So, at least it's the first one, so, you know, it's good enough. But if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like. And if you really liked it, subscribe. Why not? There's videos on the screen right now if you want to watch any of them. And that's about it. So, have a nice day.